super light. But look at this. Ugh, this was not cheap. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna start a series of videos that are super short on just products that what do I really think about some of the products that I have. And today's video is gonna be on silk products. There's a lot of social media hype about silk products, which are really great. And if you love it, good for you. I unfortunately don't have the same kind of experience. And again, all of these things are just my opinion and my experience. And you could have a totally different experience and totally different opinion. So here it goes. Silk clothing, not for me. I try to avoid it as much as possible because I don't like the care of it. It feels very luxurious, but to have it dry cleaned or have it hand washed and then wring it and then pat it dry with in between the towel and then hang dry and then steam it. Too much work. I don't go to work in a corporate setting. I am a stay-at-home person, and cotton or something like this, nylon or whatever that you can just wash, dry, and wear. The most I would do is wash and hang dry and then wear it. I do like silk or silk and cashmere scarves because I don't have to wash them very often. And I do like silk clothes for fancy occasions. Now, silk bedding. About over 10 years ago, I think when my kids were like 9, so oh my gosh, about 15 years ago, we went to China, we went on a tour, and they took us to several silk factories, and I was sold. I mean, he said
you couldn't wash it, it's hypoallergenic, it's really good for your skin.
All of those were said, and I was sold, and I spent thousands? I think a couple thousand on bedding and clothes and bedding and everything. The only thing I love about all the stuff that I bought are the comforter, the inside comforter, this is silk comforter that I have. It's super light. I feel like it's hypoallergenic versus cotton, where I feel like there's a lot more propensity for the dust mites to gather. It's less, so that's all true. The silk duvet covers, silk pillowcases, I would not recommend it because that you have to wash it at least. Certainly pillowcases, I wash it at least once a week, if not twice a week. And this is what happens. I'm gonna show you. This is a brand new pillowcase. See how nice, and it feels wonderful. And this is, again, about 15 years old, and it still is in great shape. Feels great. Once you wash it, and I washed it by hand one time, and then I washed it by washing machine in a bag, and becomes like this one. It still is, look at how wrinkled that is, right? And look, like that. Okay, it does do nothing. I'd rather have a really good quality cotton where I could wash it in hot water and put it in the dryer versus something like this where I have to put it in a delicate cycle or hand wash and hang dry. And if you have a duvet cover, can you imagine how big those duvet covers are? I did machine wash because that's what the tour guide said that you could do. Machine wash in delicate cycle my duvet cover, and it literally, the seams were like coming apart. And I bought the expensive kind. So it's not worth the money. And I'd rather have the comfort and ease of just being able to toss it in the washing machine and put it in the dryer. I can't hang up like a king size duvet cover that's silk. It's just not gonna work. So, and as far as hypoallergenic, so on my pillow, I just use a allergy cover, and then a cotton cover, the pillowcase. Does it keep my eyes less puffy? I didn't find that to be the case with using the pillowcase. I didn't find that my face was more wrinkled with cotton versus silk. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you love it, great, let us know. And we could all learn from each other, right? So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Okay, I'll talk to you later, bye.